2024 has been a year packed with creativity and interactive campaigns that established QR codes a marketing staple. From Hollywood to the food industry, each clever marketing stunt has earned its keep, and we're here to give them a spotlight. If you're curious about how QR codes can level up your business or just want to see some clever ideas, you're in the right place. So let's dive into 13 of the coolest QR code campaigns from this year, and you might just find your own next big inspiration. Fans discover hidden QR code Easter egg in the Penguin series. So let's kick things off with HBO's The Penguin, which hid a QR code Easter egg in its very first episode. Fans who scanned it were taken to Gotham's true face, an interactive site teasing chaos in Gotham while adding layers to the show's narrative. A brilliant way to engage viewers, this campaign shows how even subtle QR code placements can deepen storytelling. Meta's Ray-Ban glasses get smarter with QR codes and AI features. Speaking of innovative use cases, Meta's new Ray-Ban smart glasses have redefined wearable tech. With QR code scanning, AI-powered analysis, and real-time translation, these glasses seamlessly blend technology into everyday life. It's not just storytelling now, QR codes are becoming an essential part of daily convenience. A Singaporean team creates edible QR codes with 3D food printing. From high-tech glasses to high-tech food, researchers at Singapore University of Technology and Design developed a 3D food printing technology that creates personalized and creative meals, including edible QR codes. They're not just scannable, they're sustainable, customizable, and they're tasty. This breakthrough redefines food customization and promises exciting applications in nutrition, dining, and culinary creativity. Katy Perry's QR code tattoo at Paris Fashion Week. Katy Perry turned heads at Paris Fashion Week, appearing at Balenciaga's Spring 2025 show in a black dress paired with a QR code tattooed on her head. When scanned, the code directs users to a page on Perry's official website featuring exclusive merchandise, a music video, and upcoming tour dates. A stylish way to combine branding and digital engagement, Perry proves QR codes can be a star accessory too. Simon Cowell launches a global talent hunt with a QR code twist. Simon Cowell made headlines with his QR-coded billboard campaign. The campaign boldly proclaims, "Simon needs you. Future megastars wanted for new boy band, no time wasters." The QR code links to a website where participants can submit audition videos, making the process accessible to talent across the globe. With this campaign, the music mogul is casting a wide net, potentially uncovering the next global sensation. WWE's mysterious QR code on Raw leaves fans with cryptic clues. So let's switch gears to sports entertainment. WWE kept fans on their toes with a cryptic QR code during the New Day's entrance. This code led to a hidden video continuing WWE's thrilling use of cryptic digital campaigns. It sparked fan theories about returning characters and deepened their interactive storytelling. This campaign was a knockout for fan engagement. Taylor Swift surprises Chicago with a QR code mural ahead of her album launch. So ahead of the release of the Tortured Poets Department on April 19th, 2024, a mysterious QR code mural appeared in Chicago's River North on April 15th, sparking intrigue among Swifties. The mural, featuring the number 13 and the letters TTPD, directed fans to a 13-second YouTube short with the message Error 321 and a faded 13, a signature element of Taylor Swift's branding. Fans decoded the artwork to find teasers, proving yet again that QR codes and fandoms are a perfect match. Loving these stories so far? Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more creative marketing inspiration. And if you're ready to create your own QR code campaign, check out QR Tiger linked in the description box below. McDonald's anime-themed QR codes unlock fun surprises for fans. Even fast food joined the fun this year. McDonald's is stepping into the world of anime with its immersive 2024 campaign, WickDonald's, in collaboration with Studio Period and manga artist Aki Bright. Fans can unlock mini episodes and manga through QR codes on food packaging or at select manga stores. The WickDonald's brand, inspired by a long-running inside joke for anime, pays homage to McDonald's appearances in anime shows. It's a playful blend of food and pop culture that resonated with otakus and snack lovers alike. Marvel sparks debate with a new QR code in its X-Men series. So speaking of fandoms, Marvel delighted fans with QR codes in X-Men From the Ashes. Found in one of the pages of the comics, it unlocked exclusive digital content like character backstories, extra scenes, and hidden story details, enriching the reading experience without replacing the original story. QR codes play a big role in the Trump versus Kamala election campaigns, so even the political arena embraced QR codes in 2024. Both Kamala Harris and Donald Trump are using QR codes to enhance voter engagement and turnout in the battleground states. Trump's campaign uses QR codes to streamline voter registration and encourage participation in events like rallies and caucuses, targeting key demographics. Harris's campaign takes a more interactive approach, using QR codes at events for real-time access to campaign materials and to connect voters to her digital platform. These strategies reflect a shift in political outreach, making campaigns more accessible to voters. Frito-Lay's QR code campaign offers exciting prizes for snack lovers. So back to the fun stuff. Frito-Lay spiced up snack time with QR code stickers that unlocked prizes. With the use of QR Tiger's advanced technology, the QR codes were found on Frito-Lay snacks, which gave snackers the chance to win all these fantastic prizes. Exclusive dining experiences, music and dance lessons, thrilling sports activities, plus the grand prize, an unforgettable 8-day resort stay. It's a deliciously clever way to boost engagement. Skechers uses QR codes to simplify job applications. Skechers has redefined modern recruitment strategies by integrating branded QR codes into their job advertisements. The company uses these QR codes to connect job seekers directly to their career page, where they can explore available positions, read detailed job descriptions, and even track their application status. By providing all the necessary information through a simple scan, Skechers has made applying for jobs more accessible and efficient for potential candidates. Jupiler's Euro Cup cans feature QR codes with prizes for football fans. Finally, Jupiler's QR code campaign during the Euro Cup 2024 is an exciting blend of football passion and digital innovation. As Belgium's favorite beer brand, Jupiler has created limited edition cans featuring QR codes that give fans a chance to unlock exclusive prizes and experiences. When scanned, fans are instantly directed to the Tada platform, where they can play games, win football shirts, and exclusive tickets, and even behind-the-scenes access to Red Devils' journey in the Euro Cup. This interactive 360-degree advertising approach not only enhances fan engagement, but also creates a sense of urgency with the limited edition cans, boosting both sales and excitement. And what's better, their QR codes were powered by QR Tiger. As you can see, QR codes are no longer just about convenience. They're about creating experiences, sparking creativity, and building connections. Every campaign we covered shows the incredible potential of QR codes. So which campaign inspired you the most? Let us know in the comments. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more insights into QR codes and how you can use them for your business. Plus, if you're looking to create your own standout QR code campaign, visit QR Tiger's website. With tools and features to bring your ideas to life, QR Tiger makes it easy to start your next big project. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.